What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Business Buffoons. My name's Ahmed.
I'm Azim, and today we're going to be giving you an update on our journey of organic dropshipping. So right off the bat, my TikTok got 951 views, and then my Instagram reel didn't post, so I have to figure out why they're not posting. But that's my update. The new location is working. I'm getting a steady increase in views over the last few videos. And the reason that Instagram's not posting is irrelevant to the fact that I tried it in a new location. So that's my update for the day. I'm going to keep trying new things and hopefully getting a steady increase in views to the point where I eventually get a sale. Go ahead.
And so I'm going to give two updates for my product. For my TikTok that I posted today, I got 550 views, but it's because I posted it I want to say an hour and a half ago. And then the TikTok that I posted yesterday did pretty well. It did that thing where it blows up and then it blows up again. By blows up, I mean gains 500 views and then it gains another 1,000 views. So it's at 2,200 right now, which is pretty good. I haven't had a multiple thousand view video in a while, so this is kind of it's a good thing for me. It's a good feeling. And then on Instagram, my reel that I posted today is at 50 views. 58 to be exact, but yeah, those are my updates. We're trying something new with our second product. We've had this product in for a while. It's honestly, I've been lagging on posting it, but I'm kind of happy I did because we're gonna create a new account with a branded name because we've reached out to a lot of people that have made a lot of money in the e-com space, and they've gave us advice to not necessarily go full branded with the product, but to do our best with creating a brand. So creating a branded Instagram account with that Instagram handle that's branded, to create a branded TikTok handle that's, it's just fluid, it's elegant. And even the website, we're gonna make it so that the domain, it's gonna be just our domain.com. We're gonna try and invest a little bit of more money in taking out that .myshopify right? So yeah.
That still won't help the virality aspect, but it'll help the conversion rate.
I think it will help the virality aspect.
Well, it technically won't because no one sees the link when they're engaging with the video, and the initial.
No, I was talking about the handles.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
My bad. We were talking about different things.
Yeah, that I agree with.
Yeah, but I agree with him. The taking out the My Shopify and the link will definitely help with the conversion rate.
The conversion rate of 0 right now. But.
Yeah. Well, at least we'll get site visits. I feel like having that My Shopify is kind of a...
Yeah. Oh, okay. Someone commented, this is good advice. This is my first time telling Ahmed the advice, and the first time maybe I could share it with you guys. Just a real quick tangent. All of the comments that you guys see or reply to are handled by me. I run the YouTube, and then on the TikTok and social media side of things, like Instagram Reels, that's all managed by Ahmed. So if you think you're having a conversation with someone in the DMs or comments, it's with Ahmed on the social media and it's with me on YouTube. Anyways, someone commented.
But to clarify, I do see all the comments on YouTube. I just don't reply to them. Azim does that.
Did you see the one about the link in bio?
No.
Okay.
I do check the YouTube though.
All right. Anyways, somebody mentioned that when you're trying to get to 1,000 followers, don't put the link in your bio because obviously TikTok is a very smart company and they know that you have a link in your bio, so they're kind of the algorithm is working against you in a way to help your videos go viral. And he said as soon as he removed that link, he was able to get past that 800 to 1,000 view trap that he was stuck in. So I'm going to remove that link from my bio, even though it's not an actual link. It's just a typed the website because you can't put a link until you have 1,000 followers. I'm going to remove it, and then hopefully after a week of posting, maybe the videos will go up. So whoever gave that tip, thank you so much. That was a really good tip, and we're going to try it out. Ahmed looks completely zoned out. Anyways.
No, I was just thinking about...
Nothing.
I tried doing that link coming soon thing, and then Azim recommended not to do that. So I'm kind of happy that someone...
I don't remember that, but I may have done that. But yeah, I guess that's not a good idea to do that. I don't remember that happening, but yeah. All right. Anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.